In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT Shopping feature. Let's get started. ChatGPT has evolved into a powerful shopping assistant that can help you find the right products, compare options across multiple retailers, and even guide you through the purchasing process without having to spend hours browsing online stores. Launch ChatGPT, make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on this plus option. You'll be able to find this option of shopping research. Click on that. While this feature may be available to different users depending on their plan and reason, having a subscription can provide a smoother and more advanced experience. Now, once you have enabled this feature, simply type a shopping related request such as what are the best budget smartphones under $400 or help me find a comfortable office chair for working from home. Now ChatGPT will ask follow-up questions about your budget, preferred features, favorite brands, color choices, or other requirements to better understand what you are looking for. Based on your answers, it searches and analyzes products from various resources and creates a personalized list of recommendations. As the research progresses, you can further refine the results by asking for cheaper alternatives, premium options, eco-friendly products, or items with specific features. ChatGPT can also compare products side by side, highlight key differences, summarize reviews, and explain why certain products may be a better fit for your needs. For supported merchants and marketplaces, you may also see purchase links or shopping options that allow you to continue directly to checkout. This makes the entire shopping process much faster and more convenient since product delivery, comparison, and recommendation all happen in single conversation. That's how you can use ChatGPT's shopping feature. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.